deep pink. Let's draw a big-eyed dragonfly. First, draw 2 big round eyes. Deep pink. Black. Black. And a long body. Draw 2 wings so it can fly. Good job! And 2 more wings. Terrific! Your dragonfly is ready. Just look how merrily it flies.